Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. I hope you are enjoying my series related to the Python because I am trying to cover very important topics in short. Okay, so as I already told, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to me on a LinkedIn. Okay, so till now basically we covered almost all the basic Python. The one concept is remaining basically that is called as lambda, map, and filter. And these functions are also very important. Actually, this is the inbuilt function that our Python support, and this is very useful whenever you are working on large data set. We can say like role for if you're understanding data analyst, data scientist, then there you don't need to write entire code and all that. So whenever you have the particular condition, like for example I want to iterate the name starting with h only, so name starting with m only, or I have the one list and I want only even number, then you can directly use the lambda map filter, that type of function, because within a one line you can write your code right, instead of writing a for loop then if else, so it will be lengthy process. So in that case you can directly use the lambda map filter. But always remember one thing related to lambda is that whenever we have situation like you need to apply only one condition, then and then only you can use the lambda. Otherwise you need to write a function for loop, if else, whatever you need to write. Okay, so this is very important. So without wasting time, we will moving forward with our first inbuilt function that is called as a lambda. Okay, so related to lambda, one simple thing is always remember, if you want to note down, you can note down also. Lambda is an anonymous function. Okay, what exactly the anonymous means? That function doesn't have any name. This is called as basically lambda. Okay, so always remember related to lambda, the first point is that it is an anonymous function, so they don't have name. The second very important related to lambda is that lambda accept as many as arguments but only one expression. Always remember this line because this is the very important line related to your lambda function. So for example I want to addition of two numbers, subtraction of two number, I want to like particular even number, odd number. So in that case you have particular one condition, then definitely you can use the lambda. Okay, so without wasting time, first I will write here syntax so that definitely you can understand. So always remember, you just need to give the first variable name. Okay, actually this don't tell you anything why I need to variable name, but always remember because I am telling you in short and in depth. So first you need to go the variable name as your choice, then you need to go the lambda. Okay, it is an inbuilt function, so you need to go the round bracket. Here you need to pass the argument, as many as argument. I hope you remember the argument, what is argument, what is parameter. Okay, and then after return the argument you need to give the colon, and then whatever your expression, but always remember only one expression you need to write, or I will write simply condition. Okay, so that you can always remember in short. Okay, only one. This is very important. And after that you just need to write again variable name. That's it, and here the value. This is basically related to your lambda function. Got it? And always try whenever you use first time lambda, then definitely you can try to get errors, then and then only you can understand the lambda's error also, because this is the very important function. Okay, so yeah, without wasting time, we will start our first program. Like I will tell you first very simple program. Okay, like for example I want to print the addition of two numbers. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so first I am giving the variable name, then as per the syntax I need to write a lambda. Okay, and after lambda you need to go the round bracket. Okay, inside that, now for example I want to print the addition. So everyone knows whatever means whenever you need to perform addition, how many parameter, how many arguments were needed? At least two, right? So for example I am giving a comma b. After completion that you need to give the colon. So basically for example you return all the basically arguments as per the syntax, then condition. What is the condition? A plus b, that's it. And then again you need to give the, as per the syntax only I am doing, I am nothing doing any rocket science, right? Variable name, and then I need to pass here how many values I need to pass. Yes, how many arguments we are given? Two, so you need to pass the two values. Okay, now see, this is the very important. That's why I'm telling you कि whenever you performing the lambda function, you need to get the proper error, then and then only you can understand. Okay, so if you are noticing here, as per the syntax, okay, we are written the code in a proper way, nothing will be changes. Like for example I am giving the variable name, then again the lambda function. Okay, and then I'm mentioning the as many as possible arguments, okay, and then I'm calling that function. Now see, okay, yes, I'm written the lambda function, right? Now again I am giving the round bracket, right? So if you're noticing here, whenever I am giving the round bracket, if you're noticing, see the color, okay, I am giving the round bracket. I hope now you understand what exactly the error is coming. Okay. So whenever you are using the lambda function, as per the syntax, I am giving you the round bracket because you need to understand the argument and condition are the separate. But whenever you return in a real time, don't give any round bracket. If you are noticing also, because Python is definitely colorful language, I am giving you the here round bracket, then it will be going the color down. So always remember. Then again I am passing a comma b, then again colon a plus b, and then yes, and then I am passing the value. Now you get your desirable result. Got it? And as I said, this is also function. So whenever you need to perform any type of function, you can pass as many as value and you can get the particular result. Okay. So this is basic syntax related to the lambda function. Okay, I hope you remember. You can try to perform addition, subtraction, even odd number also. Like for example, I want to check, like I have the number and I want to check this number is even or odd. Okay. Now before moving forward, you need to remember what exactly the even number and odd number. Okay. You can try this as a homework. Okay. So I will write here, find given number is even or odd, and for simplifying I will write here the condition also. Whenever the number is particular divisible by 2 equal to remainder is 0, this is called as basically even number. So now your task is that you need to find out that even or odd number by using your lambda function. Okay, yes, now we will moving forward with our map. Okay, so map and filter also very very important function. Okay, and always remember map function is used whenever first you need to basically call the function, then after return the function you need to give the iterable object. Okay, what exactly the iterable objects? Whenever all the data types there, you can find out easily length of that particular basically length of the particular data structure, like list, tuple, set, dictionary, string. These are all your iterable object only. So whenever we have the situation like they will giving you the list and they said okay, I want to find out the particular like even number inside that list, or I want to find out the divisible by 4 number inside that list, then you don't use lambda because lambda doesn't support any iterable object. Lambda is only for suitable whenever we have to manage only one condition, that's it, our expression argument. But whenever we have the list, okay, like for example I have the list, okay, and I want to find out only even number. Now everyone knows 2 and 4 are the even number. So if you don't know the even number, sorry, map and filter, then you need to write for, okay, sorry, for I in yes, then again if you remember the logic even number as I already written, okay, and then here you need to write yes, this number is even, and then basically you need to find. And if you want to print the number also, then you can directly mention your variable name. Okay, so inside list we have the 2 and 4 are the even number. So if you don't know the map, then only you can follow that. But right now you know the map function, how it is working, and so basically how it is exactly the syntax of map function. So you don't need to write a for, if, and all that stuff because map is already giving you the iterable object. So you just remember first parameter is a function. Function will be anything like lambda, or you can create your own function also by using the def keyword, but I will suggest you can go with the lambda. Okay, now see, again I am creating that list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma, sorry, 5 comma 6. Now I want to print only the even number, then definitely again I need to create new variable. Okay, then I am giving you the map. Inside that map, this is very very important. Okay, I need to pass the function first, so I am written here lambda. Okay, and then I am giving you the yes, this is basically the new variable, you can write your own also. Okay, and then again a modulus by 2 equal to 0, and then if I am giving you the colon, and this is the second parameter that is called as iterable object. And then very important line. Basically you need to pass out whatever, or basically you don't need to pass this also, you can directly uh, give the iterable object here also. Okay, and this is very very important. Without, so for example, see, if you run that code only, yes, sorry, I'm giving you here the colon. Okay, so if you are checking that output, it will be giving you the map object only. Means this code basically doesn't throw any error, but it doesn't give the proper output. Why? Because always remember, in syntax also I will return, map is a iterable object basically. So whenever, like, you have the list, okay, but you want output in a tuple, you can pass. If you want in a set, you can pass, but as I am saying, okay, it is list, so I will give you the list only. This is very very important. Okay, if you return the function and if you're running, it doesn't give the any output, but if you're passing the, like, whatever iterable object, you can pass the list, tuple, set, anything. Don't pass the dictionary, because dictionary, you know, this is the key value pair. So this is basically the map function. Okay, now everyone says that, okay sir, but I need to find out the even numbers only. Okay, because it will be giving the true and false only. So basically whenever the even number is coming, it will be given the true, where whenever the number is coming odd, it will be giving the false. So whenever you want particular data, means in short filter data, then as name suggests, instead of map, you need to write a filter, and then you can getting definitely the result. So this is very very important, between difference between map and filter. Okay, so whenever we have the situation like I want to filter a data, syntax both are same, nothing will be changes. Map will be giving you the true and false because as per the condition only. But whenever we need to filter, means for example I have the list and I want to filter the particular data, then you can directly give the filter function. That's it, nothing will be changing, syntax will be same only. You can do any program with the map also, or you can do any program with the filter also. So this is all about your lambda, map and filter. In short, I am telling that lambda is basically your anonymous function, that is the nameless function. So whenever you have the particular single condition, you can go to the lambda. Whenever, like for example, they giving you the iterable object like list, tuple, set, dictionary, string, any type of, and particular giving list and saying that, okay, in that list particularly I want a particular data, then you can directly go to the map and filter. But again, this is related to your situation only, whenever, means when you want to use the map or when you want to use the filter. Okay, so whenever we have the situation like I want to, like for example, see, without wasting time, I will give one example. So I have one list. Okay, and I want to this basically capital. Okay, means in a uppercase letter. Now I hope everyone knows what is uppercase. So you can directly use list. Okay, now you know why we need to basically list and all. And then again I am using the map. Now I hope why I am using the map, because filter, whenever you have to filter condition, then only you can use the filter. But here we don't need any filter, I just want lower to uppercase, so that's why I am using the map function. As per the syntax I am going. Okay, I hope you remember. Then again I am giving the colon, and then I am using upper. This is basically your inbuilt method that are present in a string. So this is basically, oh wait, yes, now I hope you remember what exactly the error is coming. Okay, try to guess the error. Incomplete, this is basically python's very very simple, if you're noticing here. Okay, why? Yes, because I am written the by mistakenly map are the two times. Yes, wait, the bracket is also here. Sorry, here the bracket again, the bracket is basically extra map lambda. Yes. Okay. So this is related to your lambda, map and filter. If you are using the filter also, no problem, but it doesn't give you the proper result because we don't have to any filter. And always remember the bracket. Basically, see, I am using the Python after a long time. Still also I am getting the error. So definitely you are also getting the error, but try to solve that error. Don't stay like, oh, sir, I am getting the error, then what I do, and you can go to the explainer. No way, you can try to find out the error, read the error, because Python is very very user friendly, you can definitely understand. Okay, check the brackets, check the spelling, check the whenever you need to do the comma, where you need to do the arguments, all that stuff. This is related to your lambda, map and filter. I'm really sorry for getting the video too much lengthy, but this is the very important, so you can watch again if you don't understand. Simple thing is, remember, lambda is anonymous function. Whenever we have the iterable object, you can use the map and filter. Whenever you have to filter the particular data, means they giving the list, I want to find out the even number, odd number, then you can use the filter. But for example, they have the list and I want to print like addition of those number, then definitely you can go to the map function, because we don't need to any filter, we can perform only addition on entire list items. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this video. Now I am saying that this is all we can say covering basic python. In next video maximum I will make the two videos on python, that is one is on numpy and second is on pandas. So till then, you can enjoy this series. You can watch all the video. If it doesn't clear any concept, you can directly ping me on LinkedIn. Okay? Yes. And as I always saying that practice makes man perfect. So making practice, definitely we will get a better. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.